안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and I am seeing Epik High today. Oh my god, every time I say that, I cannot contain my fangirl because Michael and I have both been fans of Epik High for 15 years respectively. Oh, I'm getting like butterflies in my stomach. Like the fact that we're seeing them in person and listening to their music live is going to be...
This video is brought to you in part by moodylenses. moodylenses is a huge, popular, colored contacts brand that has a variety of color options with more than 200 styles, unique concepts, and designs, and creates natural looking and also fun and enlarging, more dolly looks. All of their contacts are manufactured by the world's most leading manufacturer called Pegavision, which is FDA and CE approved. I have here some daily lenses as well as yearly lenses, but moodylenses does have different disposable lenses for monthly contacts, daily contacts, quarterly, half year, as well as yearly contacts. They do have high moisture content, so they are easy to wear as well as comfortable to wear throughout the day, and also super affordable. You can use my code NAMI20 for 20% off all of the colored contacts at moodylenses.com. My favorite of the current collections are the moodylenses Cosmo Disco collection because of the really pretty galaxy-inspired glitter for that extra popping flavor design on the lenses, especially with Gemini blues. moodylenses is all about self-exploration as well as self-expression, and this tiny piece of contact lens can add such a perfect addition to pull together any look and create the tone of your makeup look as well. I have also been really liking the Meta Pupil collection because of the designs featuring futuristic highlight patterns in the lenses, which is super cool, adding mosaics or digital butterflies as well as geometric shapes to your irises. Really interesting, unique, and pretty. All the details of my lenses are on screen as well as down below in the description with links to the lenses.
Ever since I was young, I had this issue with being self-righteous. I think this caused me to not like rap because I thought that it was like bad, angry music without actually realizing the art and the beauty of expressing distress. And when I started going through my first bout of postpartum depression, that's when I actually found BTS and their hip-hop rap music, which helped me so much just like get through my depression. Especially with the way that BTS talks about difficulties and this and that in their rap music. It really encouraged me during the time when I was actually experiencing that. So for my makeup, I decided to do something pretty simple, a little bit more smoky for the eyeliner, but a little bit of shadow and contact lenses to make my eyes pop. I recently found out that the tones and colors that you choose for your face, depending on your skin tone and kind of skin undertones, will enhance or contrast your natural kind of overall color schemes. And I've been really liking grays and blues for my contacts. And then I've also been liking some purples and plums in my eyeshadows. For my shadow colors, I did choose something more simple, like 1 to 2 shadow shades, and later I added glitter. But some mascara, a little bit of individual lashes afterwards as well. But I think definitely adding mascara made a huge difference, especially with opening up the eyes and creating more height in the overall depth of the eye makeup. Another thing is, like, if I like makeup, why should I judge rap? You know what I mean? It's just another art form, and it's something that I came to really like. I'm wearing Jo Malone's cologne in Wood Sage and Sea Salt. But I think like BTS really helped me to come to realize the beauty of rap, and I came to really love the refrains of Epik High's music in middle school as well. Today I'm gonna do a low ponytail with extensions. I've never worn this hairstyle before, so we'll see how it goes. Just blending in my real hair with the fake hair. Wow, look at the difference after blending it in. Before blending it in. My current favorite song from Epik High is Catch. Like, the whole song is about not being able to be caught by these people who keep trying to chase you and try to get to your hard work, efforts, or want your failures. And then the most beautiful thing about this song is that the bridge says, "Call me when you're feeling down before you hit the ground. I'll be there to catch you." Because it's not like everyone is trash. We're still there and available for the people that we love. I feel like their music, Epik High's music, just defines where I am in life right now and where I am with my journey in self-care, where I am in my journey in my own personal difficult times. So it's so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm gonna do a little bit of a curly moment. And I'm also gonna curl my bangs. Ugh. I'm really excited for this part. At the top, I'm just gonna curl it inwards. I think I went too ambitious with the curls. I think maybe just the top layer should be curly. Ooh, my hair's getting fried. And I feel like I've come to a point in my life that I have the confidence to be able to seek people with the same mindset, encourage those who have gone through similar things as me. And I'm really excited for the next stages. Oh my god.
Toronto, make some noise!
Wearing Moody Lens all day and night was super comfortable. I got ready in the morning and wore them until close to midnight. My favorite is their daily lenses because they're the most softest in texture and don't compromise on the designs. A big thanks to Moody Lens for making this video possible and for creating such innovative lens designs. If I were to recommend just one series, definitely check out the Galaxy or the Meta designs. Hands down, gorgeous. I've never seen anything like that before. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.